so we'd like to say aloha, and how's about a big hand for Sweetie, my Portuguese sister?
I know, I love a Portuguese sister from another mister.
Yes, my dear. On this side, bass guitar and vocals, how's about a big hand, Mr. Kahi Kapanohiokala. Oh, thank you. And on the other side, on guitar and vocals, how's about a big hand, Mr. Richard Gideon.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the oldest guy in our group.
I used to have the old guy that used to play with us. What was his name? Oh, the other guy. But now I happen now to be. But.
Keep it rolling, Mitch. Hey, be quiet.
But, I am the only one genuinely made in Hawaii.
No.
Yes, you was made in Chicago and you was made in South Central LA or
No,
something.
I was made here, but I was hatched over there. So I was made here.
Still, it doesn't matter.
Right, Mama?
No, but
I was, yeah.
so you was popped out in Chicago.
Do you really want to know, guys?
Do you really want to know, son? You're not my real son.
But Bobby is. I love you, Mom. I didn't want you to find out this way. We had Mark Povich all lined up, you know? But never mind. Okay, so, did you introduce him?
No, I'm trying to introduce you.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Okay, we're just gonna make this simple. How's about a nice hand on guitar? My brother, Bobby Mondero.
Here at Mauna Lua. Next year, we hope and pray we will have our new CD right over there, okay? So we're hoping and praying, Mountain Apple, we love you guys. So we're hoping and praying, but if not, still come and see us at Applaud, please, okay? We ended this song just because it's the classic of classics, and we're so very honored to perform it for you once again, for my auntie and uncle back here, and for Mr. Joe Lynn, and for all of our ohana that come and see us. And what can I say? The ladies from up the street from Aipo in Hawaii Kai.
Where's that on the map?
Where is it on the map? Oh. X marks the spot.
Oh, it's there.
There she is. The Mauna Luas are looking pretty good there, kiddo.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. Aloha. Twinkling over to